Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can send out a mailing to all of your clients within a space of around 5 minutes. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is after you log in to the ShiftMail program, click on the mailing list button on the left side. Now we'll create a new list. Okay, so type in the list name, so that will be contacts, and the from name, I'll put in my name, and the from email address, so I'll type in my email address in there, and then click save. Okay, this is create a new list. So the next thing we want to do is pre-populate the list with all our email addresses. So to do that, we'll use the import your subscribers wizard. So we'll click on it. Now what it's asking for is a CSV file, and this can be exported from programs such as Outlook or Excel or numerous other programs. So I've got my spreadsheet program open here. So here you can see we've got all the names and email addresses of my contacts. I'm just going to save this, so go to File, Save As, and save it as a text CSV file. We'll just save that to the desktop. Okay, it's going to tell me that it's going to lose all the formatting. That's fine. Okay, saved. Okay, that has been saved. Right, now back into the ShiftMail program. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to browse and upload contacts.csv. Okay, here we can see preview. All my addresses have been uploaded, so click OK. Now proceed through the wizard, so next. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to match up the field names within the spreadsheet with the column names within ShiftMail. So the first name field should match the name field, and the email address should match the email field. And there's a preview of what the spreadsheet looks like there. So then we scroll to the bottom and click next. Okay, as you can see, it's imported all the email addresses into the database. If there were any invalid email addresses or any duplicate email addresses, they would have been filtered out at this point, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, click on close. Okay, and we're into the main list. We can see we've now got 10 subscribers. Okay, now I'm going to send them a mail shot. So we go to the email shot section, click on create. Well, I'll just call this newsletter. You can choose whether it's going to be a HTML, text email, or both. I'll do a HTML email. Click next. Okay, so it's just loading up the text editor. Okay, it's done that. So this is a word style interface, so I can type in anything in here, my newsletter, and I can use standard formatting options such as bold, italic, underline. You can also insert. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a template design which I've created in Dream previously. So I'll click onto the source code view, toggle HTML source, and I'll highlight all this code, and then I'm going to go into Dreamweaver where I have my email template which I want to go out. So I'll switch over to code view, highlight all the code, copy it, then paste it. Now if I flick back over into the design view, you can see it's pulled in all the images and all the format. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, that's saved. Okay, I'm now going to send this to my subscribers. So if I click on the send button, that opens up the sending wizard. It says I'm about to email 10 recipients. Okay, next. I can do the send or the custom send. Custom send allows me to specify how the system will handle bounce backs and whether we wish to have link tracking, and also you can schedule the email to go out at a specific time on a specific day. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to do express send, which is going to send the email to all my subscribers within the next 5 minutes. So click next. Thank you, that's done. I can go over to the support section. You can see my newsletter, and then the sent figure will go up, and the read rate and the clicks rate will go up as soon as people start opening the email and clicking on the links. That's it. This has been a tutorial on how to send an email using ShiftMail to all your newsletter contacts. Thank you for listening.